Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a pair of headphones. This one happens to be Bluetooth headphone from Digitek. And on the front side, you have a massive plastic window showing you exactly what the device looks like. And there are a few features that I'd like to call out in the center. It's just icons. So for further details, we'll just move to one side. You get stereo sound, then the earpads are soft. The control buttons are on the right-hand cup as usual. Then you can insert an SD card into the device. And it also has microphones so you can have hands-free conversations. This thing supports Bluetooth version 5.0. Talk time for music or calls would be 8 to 9 hours. And standby time happens to be at 120 hours. Then you have the Bluetooth profiles that are supported, followed by the frequency response being between 20 to 22 kilohertz. Then the frequency range is 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz. That's to do with your Bluetooth. And transmission distance is the normal 10 meters. And on the back side of the packaging, you have the same features again being called out at the bottom, as well as you have some imagery of the product. On this side, you have the contents of this packaging, as well as the manufacturer's contact information and pricing details. So that's it for the packaging. Just go ahead with the unboxing. Let's go through the accessories first. You have the user manual, or rather the instruction manual. Always go through this to understand exactly what all features your device has and how you should be operating it. Then you have the charging cable, which happens to be a micro USB cable. And this thing is about, we'd suspect, 10 to 15 centimeters. So this is 15 to 20, you would say. The last accessory happens to be the audio cable. This is a TRS 3.5 mm stereo cable. And it's quite long. The cabling is also soft. It's about 1 meter long. And finally, we have the headphones. So Digitek has gone with a black and gold color finish. You've got cushioned earbuds as well as a cushioned headband. The headband is also extensible, so you can fit this on multiple size heads. This is the TF card slot, and the interfaces happen to be on the other side. You have a button to increase volume, reduce volume, and a power button in the center. Then you have the charging port or the micro USB interface. Then there's a little inlet for the microphone and another one for the LED indicator. And the last thing happens to be the 3.5 mm stereo jack. That's it for the unboxing of the Digitek Bluetooth headphone. This is the DBH 005. Thank you for watching.